be held on 16th after 15 days, my lord. We'll get it rescheduled, my lord.
चलो ठीक है.
My lord, Lordship may say at least 15 days, my lord. Because my lord,
That's what
page
I'm
90,
saying.
no, page 90, my lord, substantial addition has been made, my lord, in the Hindi version.
अरे 15 दिन में आप कर लोगे.
वही-
My lord, Lordship may say at least 15 days then.
That's what I'm saying.
My lord, the word at least may be used, my
अरे
lord.
वो तो यही तो कह रहे हैं.
मैं
वही
यही तो कह रहा हूँ.
कह
तो
रहे
इसको क्लोज कर देते बस.
वही-
नथिंग रिमेन्स.
हाँ, कर देना.
कितने एक ही पिटीशन है.
हाँ, एक ही.
चलो.
वैसे इन्होंने पूरा पेपर ही
हो गया ना, समय कम है ना, लिखवाने दीजिए. 15 दिन का समय मिल रहा
By
है आपको.
means of this writ petition,
आप चाह ही रहे हैं ना.
petitioners have sought the following reliefs. दोनों prayer quote कर देना. The grievance raised by the petitioner is that, या ऐसे कर दो. Petitioners responded to an advertisement issued by Uttarakhand Public Service Commission on
on 14th of March.
14th March 2024.
My lord.
By the said advertisement, applications were invited from interested persons, eligible persons for appointment to various Group B and Group C post.
नहीं, जो PCS और अपर सबऑर्डिनेट का है.
तो C है इसमें या B है?
हाँ, नहीं, इसमें B और कोई C भी होंगे.
तो वही तो कह रहा
वही
हूँ.
तो.
Group B and Group C post under the state. First off, the grievance raised by the petitioner. ये आप pre सब qualify कर गए.
प्री क्वालिफाई करके
All
मेन.
the selection process is of 3 stages, consisting of preliminary examination,
Main
followed by main examination, and thereafter interview.
interview by vote.
First up, petitioners have qualified preliminary
एक ही है
examination.
पिटिशनर, एक ही आया है.
Huh?
एक ही पिटिशनर है.
Petitioner has qualified preliminary examination. Now, mains examination is scheduled to be held from
16th.
16th of November,
Madam.
2024. Grievance raised by the petitioner is that the syllabus for candidates who have chosen Hindi as a medium of examination has undergone a change by notification dated
4th of November. 4th of
November
November.
2024. Petitioner contends that कितना दिन पहले हुआ ये? करीब एक हफ्ता.
हाँ, 10-12 दिन पहले.
Lordship may say 12 days.
Petitioner contends that the manner in which the syllabus, new topics have been added
My lord.
in
सबको
in the syllabus for Hindi medium candidates will mar their chances of success, as Hindi medium students have not studied those topics which were not there in the syllabus earlier. Syllabus disclosed to them earlier.
My lord.
First up.
मेरा submission में
Learned Counsel appearing for the Public Service Commission, however, submits that that the topics which have now been added in Hindi medium, added in the syllabus for Hindi medium candidates, were already there in the syllabus for English medium.
students.
For candidates, in the syllabus for English medium, candidates who had chosen English as
English
a
version of the syllabus.
English version of the syllabus, and the impugned notification dated 4/11/24 was issued to bring parity between the syllabus for Hindi medium and English medium students. First up, Learned Counsel for the petitioner contended that since petitioners had chosen Hindi as a medium of examination, therefore they, he कहता है एक ही है.
My lord.
Therefore he did not refer to the syllabus, English version of the syllabus, therefore certain topics which have now been added
At least 20.
in the Hindi version of the syllabus have not been prepared
My lord.
by him and also by other similarly situated persons. Thus he submits that the Hindi medium candidates are being taken by surprise by adding new topics, and since there is fierce competition in the examination in which lakhs of कितने लोग candidates appear कर,
इसमें तो अब 3,000 के रफली हैं क्योंकि
in which more than 30,000 candidates would be
3
appearing.
नहीं 3
3,000 shortlisted candidates.
अच्छा, shortlisted. 3,000
about कहते हैं, more तो नहीं है, more नहीं है, less बोल सकते.
about 3,000 candidates would be appearing, and smallest difference, difference in marks even by a small fraction may also
Affect the
result in failure of a candidate. Thus, he submits that the addition in the syllabus, in the Hindi version of the syllabus, would be unjust, would be unfair and unjust for the students who have chosen Hindi as a medium of examination. Mr. Navneesh Negi was given time to get instructions in the matter. On instructions, he submits that to give reasonable time for time to Hindi medium, to students who have chosen Hindi as a medium of examination, the Commission has taken a considered decision to reschedule the examination, the mains examination. To defer the date fixed for holding mains examination. And now the mains examination would be correct. And minimum 15 days time would be given to the petitioner to prepare, for preparation as per the revised syllabus. Impugn in the writ petition.
मेरे उसको अगर 4 weeks हो जाता है क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा है मेरे
कुछ नहीं है,
कोर्ट अपनी ओर से कहती है।
rephrasing
हमको we have to strike a balance. उनका भी नुकसान न हो, आपका भी नुकसान न हो।
इनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, अगर यही अगले 16 से हो जाएगा तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा मरोड़, क्योंकि 3000 बच्चे हैं कुल मिला के और 2 जगह सेंटर है खाली, कुछ करना नहीं है मरोड़। ये बच्चे भी पढ़ लेंगे हिंदी वाले भी।
जरा सा है, कोई 2-3 टॉपिक
नहीं, जरा नहीं, 20 टॉपिक है मरोड़, 20 टॉपिक है।
कुछ नहीं है। तो the submission ऐसे कर दो, the offer made by Navneesh Negi on behalf of Uttarakhand Public Service Commission appears to be reasonable. Since petitioners could not prepare the new topics, therefore
हमको ओपन कर दें कि कमीशन को रिक्वेस्ट कर लें कि कमीशन
therefore
मतलब ये कहते हैं
therefore they would be getting at least 15 days time for preparing the subject first up. However, petitioner shall be, we accordingly dispose of the writ petition in terms of the statement made by Navneesh Negi by taking his statement on record. However, petitioner shall be at liberty to approach the commission for seeking further time, if so advised.
I am deeply obliged. मतलब the copy may be given today because examination is from 16th.
अब देखिए अब कितना हो पाता देखें।
तो या तो ये
आप कन्वे कर दें।
हाँ, ये कम्युनिकेट कर दें। I am deeply obliged. I am deeply obliged.
प्रोटेक्शन है, दोनों लोग मेजर हैं, साथ ही रजिस्टर हैं।